I guess we have covered Ramsar sites. So from today, we will cover elephant reserves. I guess. Just wait. Uh, okay. So today, what we are going to study, uh, we will study about the Project Elephant and the mangroves, where mangroves are found, what are mangroves. Okay, starting from the Project Elephant. Like, it's not a big topic. It's a small topic. So in 1992, it's a centrally sponsored scheme. The Tiger was started in 1992. It's a centrally sponsored scheme. Like there were many threats to this project, to the elephants. Like coal mining were happening very uh, at that stage, like in 1990s. There were so many coal mining, then iron ore mining were there. So they are the biggest threat to this elephant. So to protect them, to protect their elephant, their habitats, their corridors. What does corridor means? The corridor means like the place connecting to two wildlife sanctuaries, or connecting to national parks or a wildlife sanctuary. So these are the corridors. Okay. And some other points about elephant, like elephant have the longest gestation period. Like कितनी देर तक उसके पेट में उसका जो बच्चा है वो रहता है. It's around 22 months. Okay, so it's a longest gestation period. Then another point to remember, like there are two kind of elephants. One is Asian elephant, and the second one is the African. Okay, so Asian African are generally smaller, as you know, and the African ones are quite big. Okay, so जो male Asian elephant है, only they have tusk. Like female do not have tusk, but in African elephant, they have both, male and female both have tusk. Tusk mean उनका जो white दांत होता है. ओके, सो उनका थोड़ा एशियन का क्या होता है, इंडेंजर्ड होता है. अफ्रीकन का क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड. सो बेसिकली जो हमारा ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हुआ था, इसके अंदर बेसिकली हमारा जो मेन फोकस था कि हमें थोड़ा इनके हैबिटेट को कंजर्व करना है. वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स, तो एलिफेंट्स. Then there is a mic program. Like it's also very important. But what does mic program? Mic program is the monitoring of the illegal killing of the elephant. Like we have to monitor first कि कहाँ illegal killing हो रहा है किनका elephants का. Okay, so who established it? Is established by sites. We will cover site later, but uh, from for now it's like it's for illegal trading. ओके, कि इलीगल ट्रेडिंग को किसी भी एनिमल की रोक सके. सो दे एस्टेब्लिश दिस माइक प्रोग्राम. दे विल मॉनिटर द इलीगल किलिंग ऑफ द एलिफेंट. इट इज स्टार्टेड इन साउथ एशिया, बिकॉज साउथ एशिया के आसपास ही हमारा थोड़ा जितना भी ये एलिफेंट्स है इनका पॉपुलेशन थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग इज चिरांग रिपू, दिहंग पटकाई, ईस्टर्न द्वार्स, दिमोली, गारो हिल्स, मयूरभंज, मैसूर, वयनाड, नीलगिरी, शिवालिक. These are the mic sites in India. Like Chirang Ripu, Dihang Patkai, Eastern Duars, Duamoli, Garo Hills, Mayurbhanj, Mysore, Wayanad, Nilgiri, Shivalik. Okay, so it's just a basic about this. Uh, let's come to the mapping portion. That is tribes, Periyar, Sheshachalam. Okay, so these are the places where elephants are found. Okay, so this region of Uttarakhand and UP, Shivalik, we find elephant here. Okay, Shivalik. Then In West Bengal, we have Eastern Duars. Eastern Duars. Okay. Mayurbhanj is in West Bengal too. Mayurbhanj is in West Bengal. So it's not Mayurbhanj. It's Mayur Jharna. Okay. It's Mayur Jharna. Like it's a confusing thing. Mayur Jharna is in West Bengal. Mayurbhanj is in Odisha. Okay. Clear. So Mayurbhanj is in Odisha, and Mayur Jharna is in uh, West Bengal. Then in Jharkhand we have Singhbum. Okay, and in Chhattisgarh we have uh, Tamor Pingla, Lemru, and Badalkhol, and Tamor Pingla. Okay, and what we have to learn are the bicentric movement. Okay, let's come to Odisha. Odisha have Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Baitarani. Baitarani is also a river. Okay, so near Baitarani river, elephants are found. In the South Odisha, like you can remember Kalakandi and Koraput. These are the two places where elephant are generally found. Kalahandi and Koraput. Also the river Mahanadi. उसके आसपास के रीजन में भी एलिफेंट्स काफ़ी मिलते हैं. देन रियाला इज इन आंध्र प्रदेश में सिर्फ यहाँ मिलते हैं. लाइक इफ दे से कि एलिफेंट बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में आपको महाराष्ट्र में मिलते हैं, सो वी कांट एग्री ऑन दैट. ओके, देन लेट्स कम टू दिस पोर्शन. ओके, कर्नाटका. इन कर्नाटका देर इज मैसूर में मिलते हैं. देन नीलगिरी, लाइक नीलगिरी में ऑलमोस्ट एवरी टाइगर, if we say elephant, most of the animal biosphere, tiger reserves, and जितना भी हमने आराम से साइट देखा है आसपास इस रीजन में नीलगिरी में मिल जाता है. ओके, इन केरला वी हैव वेयनाद के पास ही वेम्बनाद भी है. ओके, देन इज नीलाम्बरी, अनाईमुदी. देर इज अनाईमुदी, दिस इज अन्नामलाई. Okay, like it's also in national parks. It's Anaimudi, it's Annamalai. So you can remember it like Mudi is in Kerala and Malai is in Tamil Nadu. Then there is Periyar. Okay, Coimbatore, like we know, is in Tamil Nadu, and Srivilipattur is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Shivalik, Eastern Duars, Mayur Jharna, Singhbum, Lemoru, Tamor Pingla, Badalkhol. In Odisha, Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Baitarani River, Mahanadi River. South Odisha, Kalahandi, Koraput. Then we have Rayala. Rayala is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it's not like a point. Like if we are saying Shivaliks, so this is the reason they where they can be found. Like they are not fixed कि उसी जगह पे मिलेंगे. They can travel also. Okay, so it's not completely fixed कि यहीं मिलेंगे. But these are the areas where generally they are seen. Okay, let's move to northeastern part. Okay, so we know Garo Khasi. Garo Khasi is in Meghalaya. In Assam, देखो, we have to remember just Assam because Assam is very important in all this environment portion. We have we have Chirang Ripu, we have Kaziranga, Kaziranga, Dhanashri, Dhanashri. Then we have Sonitpur and Dihang Patkai. Okay, these all are the part of Assam. Let's repeat that: Chirang Ripu, Kaziranga, Karbi, Angdong. So it's like a same reason. आसपास के उनके places हैं. So Kaziranga. Then there is Dhanashri. Then there is Sonitpur. Then there is Dihang Patkai. Dihang Patkai, Sonitpur, Dhanashri, Kaziranga, and Chirang Ripu. Chirang Ripu is quite important. Uh, then in Arunachal Pradesh we have Kameng and Diomali. This is Kameng and this is uh, Diomali. So these are the elephant regions of India. Like we will just fastly again just revise it very fast so that you can remember some names. Okay, this is Shivalik, Eastern Dwars, Mayur Jharna. Okay, Shivalik, Eastern Dwar, Mayur Jharna, Singbam, Lemeru, Tamor Pingla. So tell me, where is Mayur Jharna? Yes, Mongol. And where is Tamor Pingla? Chhattisgarh. And where is Eastern Dwars? It's in West Bengal. Okay, then let's come to Assam. Assam, we have to remember Chirang Ripu, Kaziranga, Dhanshiri, Sonitpur, and Dihang Patkai. Okay, in Arunachal Pradesh, we have just to remember two, Kameng and Deomali. Okay, tell me, where is Chirang Ripu? Where is Kameng? Kameng. It's in Arunachal. Okay. Deomali. And then there is in Nagaland, we have Itanki. We can remember Itanki. Like it's the only place where we find national park or a elephant corridor. Then Garo Khas is in Meghalaya. Then we have to remember Mayurbhanj, Sambalpur, Baitarani, Mahanadi, and Kalahandi Koraput. Okay. Then coming to south, this is Coimbatore, Annamalai, Annamudi, Annamudi, Srivilliputtur, Wayanad, Neelambari, Periyar. Okay, tell me where is Annamalai? Annayamudi, Kerala. Okay, Kalahandi Koraput, Odisha. Okay. Then lastly, this is Mysore. This is Nilgiri. Nilgiri is in is in three states. Then this is Rayala. Okay, so this is national elephant, where in elephant regions of India. Now let's come to the mangroves. So first we have to understand what is a mangrove. So mangrove is also a type of forest. It's not like what we have earlier seen in our notebooks or the NCRT textbook. Mangrove is a type of forest where we have swampy condition. Like we know swampy condition. Like we have yesterday seen what is swampy. Swampy is basically like where you have water and you have trees in it. That is swampy condition. So trees like swampy is like trees. Yeah, generally to the wetland areas. Swampy. Like condition is swampy is also in mangroves. Okay, it's near coastal regions, mangroves generally, and marshy areas, and near estuary. Estuary is like where rivers met to the ocean. Uh, like from this diagram, we can see there are two regions. One region is known littoral, second is limnatic. Littoral is the region where water level is not so high, and there is a change in the continental shelf and the ocean. Okay, limnatic is the region which is fully open. Like you can't have this continental shelf. Like वहाँ आपको जमीन नहीं मिलेगा जो डायरेक्ट आपका कॉन्टिनेंट का होगा. you will just get the clean ocean here. Like कभी ऐसा नहीं होता ना कि ओशन से जा रहे हैं सीधा बिल्कुल पानी में चले गए. देयर विल बी a स्लोप. ओके, इस स्लोप पे हमारा मैंग्रोव होता है. ओके, so that reason is littoral and other reason is limnatic. Okay, so mangrove is in littoral region. Like if this what is littoral, we have to understand. कि mangrove is in littoral region. So what is a littoral region? It's a kind of ecotone. Like I will explain what is ecotone, but for now, ecotone is like an area where two kind of yes, go on, continue. Yeah, it's a transition zone. Okay, so if we see, this is continental shelf. This is the ocean. So ocean is going towards uh, this region, forest regions. So there is a transition in the two ecosystems. So that is called as ecotone. Basically ecotone में क्या होता है, काफी ज्यादा rich diversity होता है. You will find so many species here, so many organism here. You will find different species of plants. So ecotone region is very important for us. And littoral region, mangroves is found in that region, in the ecotone region. Okay. So mangroves are salt tolerant, like they can grow in salt also. Okay, salt tolerant को हम helophyte बोलते हैं. Okay, this is also intertidal zone. Like tides come here, and tides go. Okay, so it's an intertidal zone. Okay, it have high biodiversity, bird, fishes, barrier, purifier. So what does mangrove do? It act as like a barrier. Like कई बार flood आता है, like it will try to stop the flood. Okay, it will act as barrier. Like एकदम पानी भी नहीं आने देगा. Also it will act as purifier. Like कई बार क्या होता है? It will purify uh, the whole the जितना भी हमारा सैंड वगैरह जितना भी पानी के साथ आ रहा है उसको कई बार प्योरीफाई करता है. ओके, इसके अंदर थोड़ा लो ऑक्सीजन एनोक्सिक भी रह सकते हैं, लाइक जिनको और ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जो थोड़ा लो ऑक्सीजन पे रहते हैं. ओके, इट्स बेसिकली एवरग्रीन थिंग, हमेशा एवरग्रीन रहता है. ओके, सो basically there is some difference between the roots of uh, mangroves. So there are basically two types of roots. That one is propped roots and second is stilt roots. What does propped roots means? Propped root is like कि जैसे बरगद का पेड़ होता है ना कि ऊपर टहनियों से नीचे हमारा जितना भी जड़े होता है, रूट्स होता है, वो नीचे आता है. ओके, एंड सेकंड इज स्टिल्ट रूट्स. सो स्टिल्ट रूट्स क्या होता है? लाइक जो स्टेम होता है उस स्टेम से हमारा जो भी रूट्स होता है वो आता है, ताकि वो क्या करे, थोड़ा ऑक्सीजन एक्स्ट्रा गैदर कर सके. ओके, okay, then how this tree do reproduction, like seeds वगैरह कहाँ होते हैं इसके? So it uses viviparity mode of reproduction. So सबसे पहले क्या होगा, सीड जर्मिनेट होगा पेड़ में ही itself. Then it will fall in ground and then इट विल रीग्रो. लाइक क्या होता है, अगर सीड को पहले ही गिर जाए, अगर जर्मिनेट नहीं हुआ है, देन इट विल फ्लो. इतना सेलिनिटी होगा उसमें, सेलिनिटी में कई बार ग्रो नहीं कर पाएगा. बट वो क्या होता है इसके अंदर कि सीड ऑटोमेटिकली पहले ही जर्मिनेट हो जाता है ट्री के ऊपर ही, देन इट विल फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके, so there are some species of mangroves. Like we all have like sundari trees were there, then rhizophora, like then the morinda. These are the species of mangroves. Avinia sonorita. Like we can easily remember these four. Morinda, Rhizophora, Soniritia, and Sundari trees. Sundari trees, Soniritia, Rhizophora, Morindia, and this is Avinia. So like अब हमें देखना है मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट कहाँ कहाँ मिलते हैं। लेट्स अवर मिस लाइक वेस्ट बंगाल में हम वैसे एक बार देख लेते हैं, सुंदरबंस में मिलते हैं। आंध्र प्रदेश में कोरिंगा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है, वहाँ मिलते हैं। उड़ीसा में सुबेरनेखा रिवर के पास, भितरकनिका लेक के पास, धामरा और महानदी के पास देवी एक आइलैंड है, काली भंजदिया, काली भंजदिया आइलैंड, काली भंजदिया आइलैंड उसके पास मिलता है इन चिल्का लेक। ओके, तमिलनाडु वी हैव पुलिकट, कजनोवेली, पिचावरम, मुथुपेट and Ramnath. So in Tamil Nadu we get this Pulikat, Kazunuveli, Pichavaram, Muthapet, Ramnath. Okay, so Pulikat पे अरानी रिवर है, पलार रिवर है, कोलिडम एंड पमानी रिवर. Then if we see Kerala, like Vembanad, Kannur. In Karnataka, Mangalore, like these are Mangalore, Kundapura, Homnavar, Koravar, Goa. Okay, like गोवा में मिलते हैं. In Ran of Kutch, Khambat region, Dumas, Brat region, in Maharashtra there is Vaitarna, Vasai Manori, Mumbai Deva, Vikroli, Kundalika, Revadanta, Sri Vardhana, Veldur Vashishti River, Ratnagiri, Devgad, Vijayadur, Achra, Malwan. Okay, so let's just see in on map. Okay, because map we should know about the locations. Where are mangroves? Okay, so mangroves. Okay, this is Sundarbans, Subernakha. Starting from Sundarbans, West Bengal में Sundarbans है. Uh, Only Sundarbans. In Odisha, we have Subernakha. Then is we have Bhitarkanika. Then we have Dhamra region, Dhamra. Okay. Then we have Kali Bhanji Island, Kali Bhanjdi Island. Okay. Then we have Devi Konda and Chilka Lake. लाइक ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर कि चिल्का यहाँ थोड़ा कर्व के पास मिलता है. ओके, देन उसी के पास हमारा देवी कोंडा एंड देन इज महानदी, महानदी रीजन. ओके, देन धामड़ा, भीतरकनिका, सुबर्णखा, सुंदरबंस. ओके, देन कोरंगा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, लाइक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. कुरिंगा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. ओके, इट्स ऑन तुलभंगा कुरांगी. इट्स ऑल्सो नोन एज तुलभंगा कुरांगी. इट्स इन आंध्र प्रदेश. Elephant place was there, Rivala. Rivala was there. Okay, come to Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, we have Pulikat, Kaznu Valley, Pichavaram. Pulikat, Kaznu Valley, Pichavaram, Muthupet. Okay, Muthupet and Ramnad. Ramnad. Then we know Vembanad, we know Kannur, we know Honabur and Karwad. Okay, so these are basically the names. Like we don't have to really remember them all, but you just have to know that these are the regions where mangroves are generally found. Vembanad, Kannur, Korwad, Pulikat, Kaznu Valley. Like these are most important. Like Tamil Nadu में थोड़ा. These are in also news क्योंकि यहाँ से और फिशिंग वगैरह लोगों को कई बार पकड़ लेते हैं. श्रीलंका से माइग्रेट होकर लोग आ जाते हैं. So these regions are also important like Pulikat, Kuznu Valley, Pichavaram, Muthapet and Ramnad. Okay, Koronga Wildlife Sanctuary is also important because it's in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then we have Khambat region. Okay, then Kutch, then Dumas. Okay, so these are the region famous for mangroves. Uh, let's see Maharashtra also. So Maharashtra, where is it? I'm just saying. I think I haven't pointed it on map because this is not so important. But you have to remember, like Mumbai region हो गया. Then there is Vaitarna River. Then there is Srivardhan and Ratnagiri. Then there is another important region, that is Devgarh, Vijayadurg. Devgarh, Vijayadurg. It's in Maharashtra. Okay, so these are the mangrove sites of India. So let's just say, just tell me, where is Vembanad? In which Kerala? And where is Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary? Andhra Pradesh. It's in Andhra Pradesh. Uh, let's see it again. Just wait a minute. Here, here, here. This is Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay. Then moving to the list of the animals, like which came under critically endangered, which animal came under uh, endangered, which animals came under vulnerable. Okay, so like मैंने गूगल करके सबका लिस्ट बना रखा है. ओके, you just have to see the pictures of these. If you can't see the picture of whole, you can also only see the pictures of critically endangered ones, or you can just I have send you the books. If you go to them, you can see the pictures in a book also. I will send you the page number. For now, you have to remember some names like pygmy hog. like थोड़ा थोड़ा सुना होना चाहिए. Pygmy hog, then Sumatran rhinoceros. Like these are critically endangered. इनका population काफ़ी कम है, और by 10 सालों में 90% of their population is vanished. Okay, pygmy hog, Sumatran rhinoceros, Namdapha flying squirrel. It's found in Namdapha National Park in Arunachal Pradesh. Then Elvira rat. Okay, Elvira rat is found in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Kashmiri stag, Asian cheetah. Okay, Asian cheetah is also critically endangered. Then this is Chinese pangolin. So there are two type of pangolins. One is Chinese, another is Indian. So Chinese pangolin, which is in northeast, that is critically endangered. Like इस पेज से I'm sure कि एक क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. Like which animal is critically endangered, which animal is not critically endangered. Then Himalayan brown bear. Like in Chinese pangolin की जगह they will give Indian pangolin, but Indian pangolin is not critically endangered. Okay, then the orangutans. Orangutans are like uh, चूहों के जैसा होता है. Okay, then there is Pondicherry shark. Okay, then there is Ganga shark. जितने भी shark वगैरह आए ना, shark वगैरह are critically endangered. Then there is large tooth sawfish. Okay, it's sawfish. बड़े बड़े दांत होते हैं आरी जैसे. So that is large tooth sawfish. Then there is a turtle. Like अब turtle के बारे में, कुछ turtle है, कुछ reptiles हैं. वन इज थ्री स्ट्राइप्ड रूफ टर्टल. थ्री स्ट्राइप्ड रूफ टर्टल नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मिलता है. ओके, इतना रिमेंबर होना चाहिए. रेड क्राउन रूफ टर्टल, टेरापिन. देन दिस होक्स बिल. लाइक अगर टेरापिन आता है, दे कैन आस्क वेदर इट इज अ बर्ड, इट्स अ एनिमल, इट्स अ रेप्टाइल. सो टेरापिन इज इट्स अ टर्टल. ओके, देन साल फॉरेस्ट टोर्टोइज, मुन्नार बुश फ्रॉग. इट्स फ्रॉग. मुन्नार बुश फ्रॉग. रिमेंबर दिस टू. दिस इज जहाँ भी ये वर्ड दिखे ना, राव राव कास्टस, राव और कैस्टस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो लेट मी शो यू देयर. लाइक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. आप इसको नाम देख के यू कांट गैस कि विच एनिमल इज दिस. Raucestus. Raucestus. So this is Rao orchestras. These are the frogs. You just have to remember they are frog and they are critically endangered. So जहाँ भी ये रा orchestra दिखा रा orchestras. So these are frogs. Then there is Ponmudi frog. Okay. Then this is Great Indian Bustard. It's the national bird of Rajasthan also. Great Indian Bustard. This is also critically endangered. Then is Siberian crane. It's a migratory bird. Came to the Sultanpur National Park of Haryana. Biosphere Reserve also. Then Himalayan quail. Then there is pink-headed duck. Okay, उसका head pink होता है थोड़ा. Okay. Then is white-bellied heron. Then this bear's pochard. Like bear's pochard. Let me see if like मैं आपको कुछ एनिमल्स के दिखा देता हूँ. Try to remember. This is cheetah. Okay, Asiatic cheetah. This is Bengal florican. These all critically endangered. Bengal florican. This is Chinese pangolin, not Indian. This is Chinese pangolin, which is critically endangered. This is Elvira. Elvira is a mouse. It's a rat. This is Great Indian Bustard. This is brown bear, Himalayan brown bear. This is Jenkins shrew. This is Jenkins shrew. This is stag, Kashmiri stag. Hongul भी बोलते हैं इसको. Uh, this is see. Let me check. Just wait a minute. This is Malabar large spotted. This is civet. Civet से याद रखना. This is civet. Malabar large spotted civet. This is McQueen bustard. So जहाँ भी bustard word आया ना, bustard से याद रखना. That is a bird. Then this is नाम दफा flying squirrel. Like नाम दफा flying squirrel का question बन सकता है. It's quite famous also. It's in नाम दफा National Park of Arunachal Pradesh. Then this is olive ridley sea turtle. Like it's also very important. It's quite in news. Gahir Matha Beach region के आसपास मिलता है. Okay. Then this pygmy hog. This is pygmy hog. Okay. This is Rao orchestus. This is Siberian crane. This is Sumatran rhinoceros. दिस इज वाइट बैक्ड वल्चर. इसका बैक का जो पंख होता है वो वाइट होता है. दैट्स वाई बैक वाइट बैक्ड वल्चर. लाइक वल्चर हम सेपरेटली पढ़ेंगे. वल्चर्स कई टाइप के होते हैं. ओके आई गेस थोड़ा आइडिया आ गया होगा कि विच एनिमल्स आर क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड. Like when I show you some previous year questions, you will get better idea कि what type of question were asked in previous year. Okay, now just see vultures. So vultures का एक trick है. White, red, slender, long. White, red, slender, long. These four are critically endangered. These are the types of vulture. What does white mean? It's oriental white-backed vulture. Name है भाई. Name है. Okay. Then red-headed vulture. Then slender-billed vulture. Then long-billed vulture. चार vulture हैं. Red, white, slender, long. These four are critically endangered. Like I'm telling you, state PCS में you can easily find question from vulture. Like they will just ask Egyptian vulture का क्या IUCN status है. Egyptian vulture का endangered है. Only Egyptian vulture का endangered है. और this is found in Haryana. Bindabas biosphere reserve. Egyptian vulture, it's endangered. White, red, slender, long are critically endangered. Rest you can try to if you can remember. Like Indian griffon vulture is least concerned, and Himalayan बाकी उसके अलावा Himalayan bearded and Cinereus, these all are near threatened. Like they are not so important. Main question is critically endangered कौन से, endangered कौन सा है. Endangered is E for Egyptian and E for endangered. Okay. Then white, red, slender, long. These are critically endangered. Okay. Then there are vulnerable. कि हमें vulnerable देखना कौन सा है. Okay. Olive ridley sea turtle is vulnerable. Leatherback sea turtle is vulnerable. Ceres crane is vulnerable. जो Indian rhinoceros देखो Sumatran rhinoceros Saurus is critically endangered, and Indian rhinoceros is vulnerable. Then there is goat. Goat is like a bhens. Okay. Then there is snow leopard, clouded leopard, Nilgiri ka langur, Nicobar megapods, dugong. It's like sea cow बोलते हैं इसको. Then Barasinga and Sambar. These all are vulnerable. आई थिंक vulnerable की मेरे पास नहीं है. नहीं है. Okay. Then endangered. Like if we see endangered, we have red panda, golden langur, hispid hare. Hispid hare is like उसके कांटे लगे होते हैं काफी बॉडी के. Okay. Then is white bellied musk deer. Like white bellied musk deer के हिसाब से मस्कट हमारा नेशनल पार्क मस्कट डियर वाइल्ड डियर सेंचुरी है. मस्कट डियर सेंचुरी इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Then lion-tailed macaw. Then Nilgiri tahar. So remember Nilgiri tahar found in Nilgiri region and it's endangered. Nilgiri tahar is endangered and Hangul or या फिर Kashmiri stag is critically endangered. Okay, then is Sangai. Sangai is deer. Eid is also a deer. Narcondum hornbill is a bird. Asiatic lion, it's lion. Lion is endangered. Elephant हो गया वो भी हमारा इसी में आता है endangered में. Hollow gibbons also come under endangered. Okay, for forest owlets also came under this endangered, and Irrawaddy dolphin, which is also found in Ganga river. Okay, so what you have to do, like you just have to go and on Google and try to like जिस animal का आपको नहीं लग रहा कि I can't remember this animal, just try to remember कि ये हाथी है, घोड़ा है, ये मछली है या फिर ये bird है. Just try to remember the figure of the animal. Like we can't like think or try to remember his IUCN status also. Okay, so next is a current whole different topic. So I guess we should stop to today, or if you want, like we can cover some basic of this. What is population? What is biosphere? What is biome? Okay, tell me. Uh, should we cover it today or later tomorrow? Okay, we will do it tomorrow. Fine. Okay, I will send. I will send them. Okay, okay, fine.